Good morning. Meteorologist Emily Thornton with the Storm Prediction Center giving you the severe weather overview for Friday, March 31st, 2023. Severe thunderstorms are expected over parts of the Mississippi and Ohio River valleys this afternoon and tonight. Locations will include central to eastern Iowa, Illinois, central to eastern Missouri, far southern Wisconsin, central to eastern Arkansas, western to middle Tennessee, northern Mississippi, western Kentucky, northwest Alabama, and far western Indiana. Hazards will include widespread damaging winds, some hurricane force, several tornadoes, a few of which may be intense, scattered large hail, some up to baseball size. Intense, widespread severe storms are expected this afternoon into the overnight hours across portions of the middle Mississippi Valley and Mid-South vicinity, eastward to the lower Ohio and Tennessee valleys. Intense damaging gusts and several tornadoes, some strong and long track, are expected. A strong upper system will eject into the central high plains and move eastward today, moving through the Midwest Friday afternoon into the Great Lakes region by early Saturday. A deepening surface low will track across the Midwest with attendant cold front extending southward into the western Great Plains and Mississippi River Valley. The interaction between this moisture and the upper system will result in thunderstorms across much of the Ohio River Valley and Mississippi River Valley. Several tornadoes are possible along with damaging winds and large hail. By late afternoon, early evening, the cold front will move eastward as the surface low deepens across western Iowa and Wisconsin. The expectation is for the afternoon thunderstorms to organize into a squall line as it moves eastward into the Ohio River Valley and into the southern Mississippi River Valley by late afternoon evening. This squall line could produce widespread damaging winds as well as a few tornadoes. Here is a look at the Storm Prediction Center's tornado probabilities. The highest probability of tornadoes today will be within two regions. First, central and eastern Iowa into northwestern Illinois and northern Missouri. Second, eastern Arkansas, southern Missouri, and western Tennessee, northwestern Mississippi. An intense tornado is possible in these areas. The risk for tornadoes continues into the evening across western Kentucky, middle Tennessee, and northern Mississippi and Alabama. Here's a look at the Storm Prediction Center's wind probabilities. Primary severe risk for strong wind gusts will be across the Ohio and Mississippi River valleys. Two regions are highlighted for potential significant winds, up to and exceeding 75 miles per hour. This includes eastern Iowa, far southwestern Wisconsin, northwestern Illinois, northeastern Missouri, eastern Arkansas, western Tennessee, western Kentucky, northern Mississippi, and northwestern Alabama. Here is a look at the Storm Prediction Center's hail probabilities. Primary severe risk for large hail will be across eastern Iowa, southwestern Wisconsin, western Illinois, and central and eastern Missouri. Some isolated instances of hail up to baseball size will be possible. Here is a Day 1 Outlook summary. There are two moderate risk areas. There is a moderate risk of severe storms across eastern Iowa, western Illinois, and northeastern Missouri. There is a moderate risk of severe storms across eastern Arkansas, far western Kentucky, and western Tennessee. The severe risk is expected to begin in the early afternoon across the Midwest, upper Mississippi River Valley, and then continue through the Ohio River Valley and lower Mississippi River Valley into the evening. All modes of severe weather are possible. Several tornadoes are expected, a few of which may be intense. Widespread damaging gusts are expected, with gusts up to and exceeding 75 miles per hour. Scattered hail, up to baseball size, is possible. Follow the SPC and/or local NWS offices as well as other media sources throughout the day for the latest watches and warnings. Make sure to have multiple ways to receive weather alerts.